going on, guys? We out here at Silver Dragway today, doing a front-wheel drive, all-wheel drive, no prep. And we out here with the Gastonians. Where that boy Cooley at? Cooley, what we doing? What we doing today, Cooley?
A to B.
A to B? That's it. We're not putting nobody on the trailer.
Maybe Scotty.
Oh, damn. Damn. Math. Are you putting the hammer into the hole? You're not that.
Hey Phil, I was like, I'm about to be on YouTube tomorrow. I was like, I'm on my channel tomorrow.
Is that a cup of water?
Yeah, water.
That doesn't look like.
That's water, bro.
That doesn't look like water, Stumpy.
Water, buddy.
Stumpy, what the hell's going on with the back of your hair, man? Bro, your calicus all fucked up.
White people.
What is that? What is that?
I wore a hat earlier.
Yo, Maverick is your son.
How?
Both of y'all got the same fucked up hairdo.
Put us in your motor base, engine base so you can.
My engine bay's cool right now. Alright guys, so we got Darrell's car out here, the H22 car that made 700 on the dyno, the one that I did the fuel tech video on. And yesterday we had a test session, went really good. We can't turn the car up because even on wastegate it's pretty much just annihilating the track. So we're gonna try some backdoor traction control type strategies to see if we can get it to leave up in first gear. And then maybe we'll turn it up out the back door because the track will have some heat in it. I plugged a video from last night, his first pass on it. He did really good the second pass, but I didn't get a video of it, so I'll see if his buddy will send me the video. But we're gonna see what it will do today, and hopefully we can go a few rounds. I know we may not win it because there's some dogs out here, so we're gonna see what I can do. You don't, what is that? Huh? All right, I got you. Let's go ahead, start it. You got floored. Roll your window up.
Tail lights went off. Shut off. Yeah.
I believe him. The guy that said he got it in the car. Yeah.
Roll your window up. Goofy.
Play some music. Play some
Thank you.
straight up to the line.
Boy. Hey, what do you think was gonna happen when he drove through the water and didn't do no dry hop?
He's welking out over there.
Yeah, I don't know. This is his first time.
Yeah, he drove through the water. He should have dry hopped it.
He's trying to learn. I think that's moved.